Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Learn Figma with me. Over here, I have taught, you can see, I have taught basic about Figma and many other. Okay, so अब चूंकि ट्रेंड है तो देखो ट्रेंड के हिसाब से it is say that what are people looking for. So what let me design what people are looking for. So over here you can see like many of the things are there. Product banner designing, Photoshop, Canva product design, graphic banner editing, attractive, many other. You can see it over. So what I have got to design banner for fashion say. To open the Canva, over here take this width 2650 and height to 1094. Okay, create new design. Now I'm not well planned what I'm going to make, but I have a rough idea that what I will be making. तो पहले तो कुछ डिजाइन्स में सेक्शंस चूज करते हैं कि लाइक कुछ अच्छा टेम्पलेट्स मिल जाए because I'm making it on Canva. I can make it on Photoshop, but for you, I'm gonna create some good design with Canva. Well, कुछ इतना पसंद तो आ नहीं रहा है. This one is looking good, right? This one is looking good. Anyways, let's move to the next thing. Look, as summer sale चल रहा है तो we can design for summer sale too. If I have कुछ design to adding, but we can see this. This one is looking good. Ah, looking better. Marking a verb. We can go with this, but still let's search. शायद इससे better मिल जाए कुछ. Okay, let me change something. Let me write some more fashion sale. Anything interesting over here? I didn't found. Anyways, let me create some. Let me take some like yellow types background. Something like light mauve. Next, what we can take is like the fashion. So, go to the element, search for fashion say in the element section. Search for the object which you need. You can go with that. Now, knock it off. Let me find sunburned one. But I find Canva, but Photoshop is quite good. It gives us quite more to take. But over here, Canva gives you the elements. तो एलिमेंट सामने रहते हैं कुछ सारे जल्दी बना रहे हैं अच्छा लगता rest you can go to Photoshop and edit some of the parts over there also. So I'm going to go with this one is looking better. You can see this was the watch it over here. Yeah, okay, it's quite good. What else we can do it over here? Let me search for the rectangle shapes. I will make it stand it over here. ऐसा लगेगा कि जैसे इस पे ये let me show you how I want to color कुछ इससे similar ही ले लेते हैं. Let's go with the dark tone a bit. Mm, I think this one can go. This one can. Yes. Let's make a copy of this. Another. Let's make a copy. You can see it over here. The plus icon. It will give you the copy of this image. उसको नीचे डालो और जो नीचे है उसका कलर थोड़ा चेंज कर दो, लाइक समथिंग टू वाइट. ओके, ये नीचे नहीं था, प्लीज नीचे कर लो, राइट. एंड what you have to do is that go to position, select the white one. Let's change this color to bit black and transparency to almost 50. Good. Looking good. What else can we go with this? Let me write it over C. यहाँ पे C लिख देता. इसको explain करने में time लग रहा है. But once you wanna make and you have ideas for this, you can use Pinterest too for taking some ideas. Let me change to and what suits it away. I think I will go with this one only. And bomb and letter spacing को थोड़ा increase करते हैं. I think it's और इसको बड़ा. Okay, up this one is going good. Yes. All this ने seal को white का करेंगे. Change the color to white. उसके वापस plus icon to click करो and then again copy the seal और get for this. Think थोड़ा straight नहीं है ये. I think so. Yeah, now it's straight a bit. इसका भी वही है. Okay, चीज भी. Yes, आप देख सकते हो सी straight नहीं था. अब upper straight लगता. Can go like this. Looking good. Isn't it? Yeah, perfect. I think this is looking good. Not bad. Can do even more. Let me add a shadow effect to this book. Drop. Change the angle. Yeah, distance. And a bit intensity. Many size it's to its properly. Very better. Also suitable. And let me choose this one. Videos its transparency almost 59. And this is can go with this 26. Okay, what we can do it over here is let us remove this, okay, and let's add this over here and adjust it according to our page. That's looking great. What should we take this? Yes, great. And over here on the left hand side we will write the logo. Take the logo. Like fashion wear. Fashion logo. What do you think? Let's take this. Fashion. Okay, what we can do it over here, we can take it from the other page. Like लोगो भी मुझे यहाँ से ले सकते हैं. वेल लोगो का तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. लोगो में ना आप डिज़ाइन कर रहे हो तो लोगो आपको पास ऑलरेडी है तभी हम डिज़ाइन कर रहे हो. ऐसे तो नहीं कर रहे होगे ना. So let me adjust this logo a bit center and align. Okay, and change the color to but yeah, great. I think this one is going with the logo color too. Should we add this? No, I'm not going to add this. We're going to take another design sample like fashion scene. Here's one. I'm gonna take this. Then do one thing over here is that I will align everything to this. Yes, going great. Looking better now. अलाइन नहीं पता चल रहा रूलर लेस के लाइन देख लो अलाइनमेंट is it in the same alignment or not, and then let's change the color of this. Okay, this I think we can go with white and better effect of I'm done. Oh yeah. What else can go with? Let's add something. This. Where? Hello. Shop now. CTA. Search for rectangle. The dark mode. Okay. And write it over here. Shop now. Shop now. And change this to leather. Gradient का यूज समझ आया कैसे किया मैंने. So over here I went on the color, then gradient, solid color gradient. Click करोगे एक और color add हो जाएगा. On cross, it will get disappeared. So now you can say it overhead. It's looking great, yaar. Unexpected result. Okay, if any doubt or any issue with this design, comment your question and I will be looking forward. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.